This poem is titled Apples. Notice in the word apples, it starts with an A and the sound. You may also notice a pattern that's familiar from reading the book At the Market. I can see. We're going to practice reading this poem together, and I want you to listen for rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end, or they have the same ending sound. For example, we might have the word man and pan. Man and pan rhyme because they both have the "an" at the end of the word. So your job today, boys and girls, is to listen for 2 words that rhyme. All right, I'm going to read the poem first, and then we're going to read it together. Apples. I can see apples on a tree. How many apples? 1, 2, 3. Did you hear the rhyming words in that poem? Let's practice reading it together. I'm going to read first, and then you're going to read. Apples. I can see apples on a tree. Make sure you're reading out loud. How many apples? 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, I want to point out there's also a question mark in this poem and an exclamation point. A question mark lets us know that we're being asked a question, and it also tells us that our voice should go up a little bit higher when we finish reading that question. How many apples? Notice my voice went up a little bit higher. And then we have an exclamation point here, and that tells the reader that you want to have some excitement, or maybe you're surprised in the story. 1, 2, 3, and you give a little bit more emphasis on that very last word in that sentence. So boys and girls, I'm going to read this poem one more time, and remember you're listening for rhyming words, words that have the same ending sound. Apples. I can see apples on a tree. How many apples? 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, go ahead and type in the words that rhyme in the comment section in teams. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sound, and please watch the video as many times as you need to practice reading our poem and to find our rhyming words.